Hi guys, Currency Games here with another video. Today we're gonna have our daily outlook for tomorrow and also a review of the trade we took yesterday. We took a trade yesterday for just over, I think it was around 2.3% gain on the account. So there was a short on Eurusd, as you can see here, and I'm gonna go over the reasons why I took that short and what my confluences were. And then we're going to go over our daily outlook and our predictions for tomorrow and the week ahead. Okay, so anyway, let's get into the trade we took yesterday in Eurusd for 2.3R. It was a short on Eurusd. In regards to the higher time frames above the H4, there wasn't much confluences. My confluences came mainly from the H4. Okay, now what I was looking at on the H4 was we had this H4 high raided here, and the way the charts usually work is the chart lets go from liquidity to liquidity at certain points. Okay, and as you can see, the H4 was consolidating within these candles here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Well, it was only the 1 2 3 candles that had printed before this wick came and took out this high. Okay, so once this wick came and took out this high, as soon as I saw the close in this candle, very bearish, I was looking at this fair value gap to get drawn into and this low here to get wicked out, because we took out this high. So the next point of liquidity would be this low and the fair value gap resting here. So we had draws to the downside. Okay, that's the most important part of the draw. Going on to the H1, again you can see we went up and we closed below, and we can almost see the H1 is heading for this low here. Now the time frame I took the trade on was from the 15. Okay, because as you can see, once the M15 came onto this H4 high, we dropped down, but here unfortunately we didn't get a close below, so I wasn't willing to take the short from this order block here where we retraced here. When we came down for a second time and closed below this low here and then closed below this low as well, I then had this order block up here that's like a very clean level for me to go short off, and then as soon as we tapped that, we pretty much just sold off quite cleanly for the 2.2R 2.3R that we gained on that trade. Okay, so very clean trade, cannot complain with that whatsoever. I was very happy with that. It was a good way to start the week, to be fair. But yeah, that's pretty much the trade. I'm going to post a screenshot of the MT4 at the start of this video so you can see the entry there. But anyway, let's go into our outlook for tomorrow. Now, Eurusd on a weekly time frame, as of right now, I'm not too focused on Eurusd, mainly because as you can look on the daily time frame, we're just very choppy at the moment. Yesterday we got a little portion on the market on Eurusd, so I'm not too bothered about forcing trades as of right now. I'm still interested in this daily level here, and as you can see, we do have a daily low to pay attention to, but as of right now, I'm not too fussed about Eurusd. It's not the cleanest looking chart at the moment, and as you know, as I've said plenty of times in plenty of videos, if the chart does not look clean, I'm not forcing any sort of trades. Okay, going down to the H12, as you can see, we're just heading lower and lower. Again, I want to see some better market structure on these time frames. Like the range is very tight at the moment. I'm not willing to get in any sort of trades. Okay, same with the H4. Even if you look at today's price action on Eurusd, again, it was just choppy, man. Like, look at this, man. This is not, even yesterday's price action when we took this trade, it's still not the best PA to be taking trades in, but because I have a good understanding of the markets and I have a good understanding of how the charts are going to move at certain times and where we can aim for, I managed to get a little scalp here. But in all honesty, it's still not the best conditions to trade in. So, and then especially today, look, it's just almost a search and destroy profile. Like, but buy side gets taken out, sell side, it's just, everywhere gets taken out, man. That is just ridiculous, and it's not something I want to be involved in, as I said. So I'm probably not going to trade Eurusd until we get some sort of significant breakout in a proper direction and give us proper market structure. Okay, on like the daily or H12. Going on to Eurusd, and this is where things get very interesting. On the weekly time frame Eurusd, you remember I had this weekly order block here, the mean threshold marked out on this, and I expected British prices off that. Well, today, or well, the start of last week, we had traded to this fair value gap here that we spoke about, and we had also tapped this daily order block. And you can see how once we've tapped this daily order block, we have now broken past this low here, which shows us a daily MSB. Now, I have taken longs off the table purely because this, like, look how much volume is in this daily candle to go short today. It's not looking like something that you want to go long in. It's like a train heading in one direction. Now, I will be interested to see if we can attack this low here, and possibly aim for this fair value gap down here. Considering we didn't go bullish off of the fair value gap here in the weekly mean threshold or that order block. Okay, going out to the H12. Actually, on the daily as well, we have this order block up here. It'll be interesting to see what would happen if we did return into that. Something I thought to point out. Going out to the H4, as you can see on the H4, we pretty much just looks like we're attacking the lows here. And again, this fair value gap here is still very nice. Okay, it'll be interesting to see if we attack this high here. So possibly could see a move up in here, and also this will most likely close as a H12 fair value gap just here. Okay, we're interested to see if we can see a move alongside a H4 raid into that H12 fair value gap here, for then a move back down to continue its move to lower to attack these lows here. But we'll just have to wait and see what price provides us tomorrow, London, New York. And again, yeah, that's what I'd most likely be looking for. Okay, but as I said, tomorrow it's most likely going to be a Eurgbp day. Well, I'm just going to focus on that because, as I said, EU is not looking that nice at all. Okay, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Almost at 120 subscribers. Try and hit that by the end of the week if you can. And yeah, good luck and enjoy the rest of your week.